village has not seen clean water for months. The stream is dry. We cannot sit and wait. There must be a solution somewhere.
The journey will be dangerous. We don't know what we will face. I know, but if we don't try, our village will suffer more.
Then I will go with you. You will not walk alone.
My legs already feel tired.
Our hope is stronger than our tiredness.
What if we fail? Failure is not trying. We are already brave. Amel, look! There is still water here, and this place was forgotten, but it can be fixed.
This water system can work again if repaired.
Then please help us. Our village needs it.
You brought life back to our home.
We did it together.
No, we did it for everyone.
Courage begins with one step. Hope grows when we act.
Wow! I believe you loved the video you just watched. I created all of this using free tools, so you have no excuse not to create your own Pixar-like movies. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to achieve the same results. Let's dive in. Before commencing your story, there are 5 basic things you'll be needing for your story. Now, the first one is your script. Without your script, there won't be any story. The second one is your character description. All right, this is just like describing what your character looks like, whether it's an American person, Nigerian, whatever cultural ethics the person comes from. And the third thing you'll be needing is your scene by scene image description. Scene by scene image description. And the fourth thing you'll be needing is your dialogues. Your dialogues is very, very important. The fifth is your editing, which is very, very important. All right. Your editing is very, very important. All right. I went ahead to ChatGPT and I said this, help me write a script for my AI short movie. Include a character description, scene image description, scenes image description, and dialogue. It should be an adventure between a 20-year-old Nigerian lady, okay, with her friend, seeking for solutions to get back water in their village. It should be engaging, clear, and simple Nigerian English. So this was the description. Actually, I'm supposed to include her friend's age. It's very important to add the age. Yes, it's important to add the age. Okay, so this is it. And this is Amina. She's 20 years old, and her best friend is Zainab, 21 years old. So this is the scene 1, which involves the village. This is a scene 1 image, scene image description. Then this is the dialogue. This is scene 2, the scene image description dialogue. The same till the rest. This is the last scene, scene 7. So you can generate yours as much as you want. Okay, if you want more scene, you can include it and want more scene. Or if you want a specific scenes, whether up to scene 20 or thereabout, you can as well type in the prompt. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do now is to copy this prompt. So I'm going to copy the prompts, all this. I'm going to copy this prompt. I'll copy it and move over to my notepad. I'm going to paste it. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to generate their images differently. Okay, so I'm going to generate their image differently. So I'm going to copy this. Our browser, just type Whisk AI. And you type Whisk AI, then you move over here and change your aspect ratio to 16:9. That is if you're working with long videos. If it's not long videos, you can as well leave it in 9:16 aspect ratio. So after that, I'm going to hit generate. So let's wait and see the result. Right. So actually, ChatGPT, I forgot to add a Pixar 3D. Remember, if you want a realistic, if you want Pixar 3D, whatever style of animation you want, you have to be precise. ChatGPT, I want this specific thing. So since it did not give me that, I did not generate it, I did not add it there. So I have to add it here. Okay. So it generated 2 images for me. It's now left for me to choose anyone that resonates with me. So I'm going to download this one. Then I'll move over to my notepad and copy the image. I'm going to copy the description of Zainab. That is Amina's friend. So I'm going to copy it and move over here as well. Then I'm going to highlight this. I'll highlight this, then I'll paste it and regenerate. So this is Zainab. Zainab is so beautiful. This is Zainab. So I'm going to download it. Okay, as you can see, it's giving consistent character. So just download them. Alright, now the next thing I'm going to do is this scene by scene image description. I'm going to copy this. This is scene 1 image description. So I'm going to copy it. While copying it, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move over here. This is where you can upload your images, your character's image. So I'm going to click here, select upload. Once I've selected upload, so I'm going to select the image description of Zainab and Amina. Alright, they are uploaded. As you can see, they are rightly uploaded. Now I'm going to minimize this. I'll move over here and I'm going to press their prompt. This is the image description. This is not character description, but image description. So I'll scroll over here, and now this description is actually dictates what they are doing. Okay. So I'm not going to include this since Amina and her friend is not included in the image description. So you have to read your image description, the particular character that are included. So this is the characters. Okay, these are the characters. So I'm going to click here and download this. Then I'll move over here. Yeah, and this is scene 2. They said Amina and Zainab under a tree. So now this is where I'm going to select Amina and Zainab. When you move over here, you see this option. I'm going to click on it. I'll click on this one as well. Click on this one. Alright, I'll scroll over here and paste what I want them to do. I'm going to hit generate. So since they were declining the age I used, which was 20, so I have to increase their age, and this is what it gave me. Alright, so since they refused the 20 years I used in describing Amina and Zina, which is 21 years, they say that they are minors, so I have to boost their age. In case if you want to use weeks, make sure you don't use minors for an image reference. If not, they're not going to generate it for you. So this is the image is generated. This is a beautiful image of Zainab and Amina. So just click here by the right hand side here, just tap on the image and you're going to see an option where to download it. Okay. All right, now this I'm going to select another scene. This scene I'm selecting is actually what they are doing, like their action. So that is it. I'll still follow the same procedure. So here I say the 2 girls, I'm going to add the 2 ladies and hit generate. Alright, so one thing I love about Whisk is consistency. Can you see? the images are the same. Okay, so I'm going to download this one as well. So I'm going to take the same procedure to generate all your images. As you can see, these are my images. This is it. I've generated all of them and it's giving consistent characters. Can you see how beautiful they are? This is so beautiful. So you're going to try this out and drop a feedback. All right. Now we are done generating our images. The next thing I'm going to do is to generate our dialogues. I'm going to make them to talk. I'm going to make them to come alive. All right. Now come with me. Let's go to Grok AI. You're going to see. You're going to sign up if you haven't used it before. You're going to see amazing things a lot of people created and they are so beautiful. You can even click on it and get the prompt and recreate them. Yeah, can do that. Now, this is not why we are here. So I'm going to click here. This is the icon where you upload your file. So I'm going to select upload file and I'm going to select my first image. Okay, so this is the first image where Zainab and her friend was conversing while it's still loading. Moving it. So for the scene 1, all we have to do is to copy our dialogue for scene 1. All right, I'm going to copy our dialogue for scene 1. So this is the scene 1 when Amina, the lady on blue shirts. Yes, I have to put the lady on blue t-shirts in order to differentiate between she herself and her friend Zainab. All right, so I'll head over to Grok AI. I'm going to click here and upload my file. Then I'm going to select the image that I want to use. Then this is the first scene where Amina and Zainab were conversing. Okay, this is where they were conversing. So I'm going to paste my prompts, my dialogue here. So this is my dialogue. So I'm going to include Nigerian English. Now, you'll be wondering why I choose Nigerian English. I want Nigerian accents. Yes, Nigerian has an accent and I wouldn't want these American accents. Okay, so I just want Nigerian accents for this. So I included no background sound should be on. So after that, I'm going to hit generate. Now, the reason why I said no background sound should be heard is because you see this Grok AI, it has a background sound and it's not suiting, it's not good. All right. So I wouldn't want it. I wouldn't want to use this for my video. So you have to give an instruction. You don't want to hear any background sound in your video. You can put the instruction at the end of your dialogue. So our video is ready. Let's see.
Our village has not seen clean water for months. The stream is dry.
Wow, this is beautiful. Can you see that? Two of them were conversing. So click here and download. This is for scene 1. Just click here and your video will be downloaded. All right. Now, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to go back again. When you go back, you're going to upload another image. You upload another image. You scroll down and choose scene 2. This was when they were strolling. Then before it's done uploading, I'm going back to my dialogue. And this is scene 2. The dialogue was a lot. It was bigger than the
If this helps you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with other creators.
It couldn't fit into the first scene, so I have to paste it here back, and here is the result.
We cannot sit and wait. There must be a solution somewhere.
Okay, so I'm going to download it. I'll move over to my my notepad and I'm going to commence with this scene. Okay. So now I'm going to differentiate them. Zainab is the lady on navy blue. All right, so I have to differentiate the lady Zainab and her friend. All right, so this is Zainab. Amina on gown. Okay, so I'm going to copy it from this angle, this dialogue, this one, and I'll cut it here so that AI will capture all of them. Okay, so you don't have to impute a lot of dialogue, just
select the necessary one. Then, all right, I'm generating it. Our video is ready. Let's see. So this is it. This is the conversation between Zainab and Amina. So I have to edit it and added Zainab navy blue top, all right, and Amina on gown, so that they will not be Grok AI will not be confused. Remember, this is an AI tool. So let me play the result and see.
The journey will be dangerous. We don't know what we will face. I know, but if we don't try, our village will suffer more.
All right, can you see how beautiful it is? Two of them conversing. Okay, so I'm gonna download it and right. So now this is when Zainab was talking.
Saying I will go with, then I will go with you. You will not walk alone.
All right, so can you sing the flow? So you're gonna use the same process and generate all your scene. What we're going to do is to edit our work. So I'm gonna click here. I'm going to CapCut. I'm gonna select new video, or if yours is displaying new project, is fine. Now I'm going to download CapCut. I'm gonna select all my dialogues. When I select all of them, I'm gonna arrange them. Now after this, I'm going to increase the volume of these videos. I'm gonna increase the volume. After that, as you can see, I've arranged all of them together. Okay. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is to add your background sound. All right, I'm gonna select sounds. I went to Suno AI to generate my background sound. In case you don't know how to use Suno AI, you can check the link in the description. That's where you're gonna see it. Then I'll scroll down and search for it. All right, so this is it. I'm going to add it to my sound. I'm going to select add. Before then, I'm going to add my caption. I'll go to this and add auto caption. I'll choose the one that resonates with me and choose any auto caption of my choice. There are a lot of them, a lot. I'll select generate and wait for a few seconds. All right, I'll scroll down to the last episode and the background sound. I'm going to split it. This is where the story ends. I'm going to click here and delete this part. Then let's see the results.
Our village has not seen clean water for months. The stream is dry. We cannot sit and wait. There must be a solution somewhere.
The journey will be dangerous. We don't know what we will face. I know, but if we don't try, our village will suffer more.
Saying I will go with, then I will go with you. You will not walk alone.
My legs already feel tired. Our hope is stronger than our tiredness. What if we fail? Failure is not trying. We are already brave. Amel, look, there is still water here, and this place was forgotten, but it can be fixed.
This water system can work again if repaired.
Then please help us. Our village needs it. You brought life back to our home.
We did it together. No, we did it for everyone. Courage begins with one step. Hope grows when we act.
This is absolutely beautiful. This is beautiful. So after this, you're going to click on exports and export your work.
Now, you can create your own videos and start monetizing your channel. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get updates on my new videos. See you in the next one. Bye.